Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Logo Design. In this tutorial, I will show you how to design this logo very easily using the Polygon tool and Line Segment tool. Make sure to watch until the end of the video. And don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment. Have a nice watching. Select the Polygon tool. Left-click on your mouse. Select the radius around 100 and side around 6. Click OK. After that, select a fill color from here. OK. Select the polygon. Hold Shift and rotate. OK. Now go to the Line Segment tool. Now click here and drag, and draw a line segment till here. One more from this to this point. And one more from this to this point. OK. After that, select all and press Ctrl+Y. And check well that the anchor points are sticking to each other. Again press Ctrl+Y and back. Now select all. And go to the Pathfinder. Divide. After that, select, right-click on the mouse, and ungroup. And this way the bodies are into multiple pieces. Select these two pieces. Hold Alt, and just click and drag to duplicate another two pieces. OK, our logo is almost finished. After that, fill it with the color. So select this, and press I to the eyedropper tool, and select the color. Color all like this. And last, select this with eyedropper tool and select any color from here. Select all. And press Ctrl+G to group. Now select the Type tool. Click. And type Poly. That's our logo. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.